Imagine working with something so deadly, so terrifying, that just a simple mistake could end your life in mere days. Today, we're diving into the haunting story of the Demon Core, a small sphere of plutonium responsible for the horrifying deaths of two brilliant scientists. It was the mid-1940s, the world shaken by the devastation of World War II. The Manhattan Project had just introduced nuclear weapons, and the Demon Core, a 14-pound ball of plutonium, was originally meant to be used in a third nuclear strike against Japan. Thankfully, Japan surrendered before that could happen, but the core had a dark legacy yet to fulfill. Enter Harry Daghlian, a 24-year-old physicist working late one night on August 21, 1945. He was performing criticality experiments, meticulously placing tungsten carbide bricks around the Demon Core to bring it close, but not too close, to the brink of a nuclear chain reaction. Tragically, one brick slipped from his hand, landing directly onto the plutonium sphere. A lethal flash of blue light surged through the room. Harry instantly knew his fate was sealed. Just 25 days later, after intense radiation poisoning, he was gone. But the Demon Core wasn't finished. Less than a year later, on May 21, 1946, physicist Louis Slotin was demonstrating a similar experiment, dangerously holding the core's protective hemispheres apart with a simple screwdriver. His colleagues nervously watched, unaware of how close they were to disaster. Then, the screwdriver slipped. A blinding flash engulfed Slotin and 7 others. Knowing he'd doomed himself, Slotin bravely threw his body over the core, protecting his colleagues but sentencing himself to a gruesome death just 9 days later. The Demon Core became a symbol of nuclear danger, a cursed artifact in the eyes of scientists. Soon after, all further hands-on experiments were halted, and the deadly orb was eventually melted down and repurposed into other nuclear weapons. The chilling story of the Demon Core isn't just about tragedy, but a powerful reminder of how easily human error can turn science into a nightmare. Makes you wonder, were the risks truly understood? Thanks for joining us on this haunting exploration into history's darkest corners. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It truly helps, especially since the YouTube algorithm doesn't always push content like ours. And let us know in the comments, would you have dared to work with the Demon Core?